Good afternoon, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 1:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's Saturday, December 4th, 2021. This isn't financial advice, it's educational. We're going to talk about Fetch.AI right now. We're skipping the intro. However, this is the deal. Overnight, we actually went all the way from over here, all the way down from like 70, all the way down. Broke through this support line at 67 we talked about, came down to this other line we also talked about when we were talking about when can we see a reversal on this thing. We said that if we hit this part here and we stay over here but not over if we stay over the 57 and not the 67, then we could, if we start oscillating here, then we can just say that our bounce should happen in early January. However, this pair has actually went back over this 67 line of support. So we're back over 69. So this thing could still chop around. This could be a wick out, just like something that happened here, came all the way back up and now starts, consolidating back in this channel, which would mean that if we stay over the 67 line of support, our next big event should happen over sometime later on in January, 3rd, 4th week of January. Now let's go over to Fetch Bitcoin. By the way, we do have a resistance area, 82 cents. Support currently at 67. If we drop below that, we're back to 57 as support. In the meantime, this thing also, strangely enough, nice little jolt from yesterday, coming back down today. So we're actually not too bad. Fetch overall is doing pretty well in general terms here. So let's take a look. Right now, we're still in the channel. Nothing's really changed day over day. So our area of resistance right now, 1510 and 1239 support. 1423 is where we're at on Fetch Bitcoin right now. So I think overall we're going to go sideways with that. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin. This was the one that just dropped like a rock from the sky. But as we mentioned yesterday, 48K is our first area of support. We're at 48, almost 48.5 right now. But we did blow past it last night. We wicked all the way down. In this pair here, it says 45 on this exchange for Coinbase. But in other exchanges, one or two of them, we wicked all the way down to 41K. So 41K is the other area of support I was talking about. If we do break 48K, our next area of support would be around 41K. So keep your eye on this. Bitcoin dominance also starting to tear down. What's very interesting here is Bitcoin is selling off way more than altcoins as the overall crypto market declines in market value. So that's very interesting. Normally this thing would start spiking up, but we are spiking down, which tells me that there's not a whole lot of fear out there right now. Maybe the other altcoins are starting to get a little more mature around actual, usage and utility versus Bitcoin, which is more so for, in my view, a store of value, more like gold. Anyway, very interesting here. So we do have a floor of support right now, 40.45. As we've mentioned, I think that was our next floor of support. 40.77 is where we're at right now. Anyway, Fetch, 69 cents. Talk soon.